Dear friends, I'm Snigdha Shukla, Assistant Professor of IICMR MCA. Our today's topic is Generalization using UML in Object-Oriented Software Engineering. Generalization is a relationship between the general classifiers called as the superclass or the parent class and more specific classifier called as the subclass or child class. For example, if we consider the general class as window with its more specific subclasses, that is multi-panel window. With a generalization relationship from the child to the parent, and the child, that is multi-panel window, will inherit all the structures and the behavior of the parent window. So generalization means this is a child class, that is multi-panel window, will inherit the properties of the parent class, that is window. At the same time, child may even add the new structure and the behavior, or it may override the behavior of the parent. In a generalization relationship, instances of the child may be used anywhere the instances of the parent apply. Now we'll see one of the example. In this example, asset is a parent class. Asset is having bank account, real estate, and security. Security has again two more children, stock and bond. So stock and bond is having their own properties as well as they are inheriting the properties of the security class. Security class, it's having its own properties as well as it is having the properties of the asset class. So security and asset is having a single inheritance because security is having the properties of only asset class. But if we consider the bank account and the real estate, now in real estate doesn't have any more children, but the real estate is having the properties of asset as well as insurable item. So this is the example of multiple inheritance. Another example which is given here, that is bank account. Bank account is having two children, checking account and saving account. And bank account is having the properties of interest bearing item, insurable item, and asset. So again, this is the example of multiple inheritance. So wherever there is a generalization, it means the general class and its subclasses. So this is what we have seen in this example. So let's conclude. A class that has exactly the one parent is said to use single inheritance. But sometimes the class incorporates the aspects of multiple classes. In the above example, we have seen that the class asset has three children, bank account, real estate, and security. Two of these children, that is bank account and security, have their own children, that is stock is having, that is security is having stock and bond. Two of these children of bank account and real estate inherit from the multiple parents. For example, real estate is a kind of asset as well as kind of insurable item, and bank account is a kind of asset as well as interest bearing item and insurable item. So this is what we have studied in the today's example. This is an example of generalization. Thanks.